The Sandford International School Media community is family.
Switzerland, and in particular La Troumaz, located on the French side, and the Swiss Alps, is a cold but beautiful ski area that is always flocked by ski enthusiasts. It has an amazing group of companies willing to support beginners to learn. We are lucky to have Les Affleck's team members guiding our students through their baby steps yesterday. La Troumaz is a ski resort in the Swiss Alps in the canton of Valais. It is part of the Four Valleys ski area, which consists of various ski resorts including Verbier, Nendaz, Vaisonaz, La Troumaz and Thayon. As such, it has direct access to over 400 kilometers of runs. Day 3, and the students woke up to a sumptuous breakfast at the hotel. They seemed upbeat and ready for the day even though it was cold. Then it was time to leave for the main event of the day, skiing in Verbier. Verbier is an alpine village in Switzerland's Valais canton. It's the gateway to the Four Valais ski area. Verbier is famous for its advanced and off-piste skiing. It also has breathtaking views and wide, steep slopes. Verbier is known for two main aspects: the notorious and challenging itineraries as well as its après-ski, which is offered in many venues, on and off the mountain. When the team arrived, it was time to get started. The students first met the trainers and had a chance to prepare and review the previous day's training. Then they found their way up the mountain. The morning session was quite exciting.
They love it.
It was evident that the students were learning fast and skills got from the previous day were being put to great use.
Betty, this way, bigger, bigger, bigger. Stop it this way. Now hold.
I find it hard for inside leg, particularly my left one.
You're doing great now.
Yes. I find it hard to
After an exciting morning of free skiing while following the instructor's guidance, it was time to take a lunch break. The students were back in the ski lifts and buses back to the resort. After lunch, it was more and more skiing. In fact, on a lighter note, Mr. Fikri also became a ski instructor. Then it was time to take a break for the day. time to pack up. Some were tired and just wanted to lay down on the snow. Some wanted to go shopping.
Bola za takiej nie jest, proszę. Moja cię. Bini. Bini. After shopping, it was back to the rooms for some fun activities and bonding sessions for the students. It wasn't easy creating egg parachutes, but it was worth the efforts made. Dinner time came and it was taken first. Some dance moves in the campfire.
Yeah, go, move.
Singing, connecting, and just having fun at night.
One. Be careful the fire.
they walked the streets with lit torches, singing popular songs. Then they retired for the night to get ready for day 4.